The word sakit in Bisaya can mean a lot of things. It depends on how it is being used in a sentence. It can mean I'm sick if you use it in this sentence. Nasakit ko. Nasakit ko. Or nagsakit ko means I am sick. Nasakit or nagsakit ko means I am. The word sakit can also mean sickness or condition if it is being used in this sentence. Unsa imong sakit? Unsa imong sakit? It means what is your sickness or what is your condition? If you want to answer that by saying you're having a fever, you'll say gikalintura ko. Gikalintura ko. Kalintura means fever. So by saying gikalintura ko means I'm having a fever. If you want to say that you're having a cough, then you'll say gi ubo ko. Gi ubo ko. And as you can guess it, ubo means cough. So by saying gi ubo ko means I'm having a cough. So how about if you want to say you're having sniffles or you're having a runny nose? You can say gi sipon ko. Sipon means like a runny nose. So you can say gi sipon ko means I'm having a runny nose. If you want to say that you're having a headache, then you can say labad or sakit akong ulo. Labad or sakit akong ulo means headache. So in that sentence, sakit means pain. So you can use it to describe pain in different parts of your body. Sakit akong abaga. It means I get painful shoulder. Sakit akong tiil means I get a discomfort or pain in my foot. So in that sentence, you can use the word sakit to mean that something is painful or experiencing discomfort in certain parts of the body. And that's it for today. Again, this is Teacher Joanne. If you have any questions, suggestions, please feel free to drop them in the comment section below. So don't forget to subscribe, share, and like this post, and follow us for more Bisaya lessons. Hangtod sa sunod. Salamat!